Hey guys, it's Russell with AirMed Hemp Extracts. I just wanted to make a quick video on how to cancel your subscription. I know a lot of people are enticed by our $30 a month subscription, but you've had bad experiences in the past with trying to cancel, and it's such a hassle, and you can't ever get a hold of anybody. So what we did is we put the ball in your court essentially, so you have full control of how you cancel. So what you'll do is you'll just click on the top right here to log into your account. You'll have I'm already logged in, but you'll put your username, password. That gets you to your dashboard here. Simply scroll over here to the menu on the left and click My Subscriptions. What this will do is pull up your monthly membership here, so you can see you can change your payments, change your address at any time if you need to. But it's as simple as clicking cancel. You do this 100% by yourself. You don't have to call in anybody. You don't have to email us. You don't have to do anything. So your subscription has been canceled. So it's as easy as that, guys. So don't be scared that, oh, this is going to be some scam and I'm never going to be able to get out of this, or it's going to be such a pain. It's really as simple as that. You have control. You can cancel at any time. There is no contract. And you're getting a 1,000 milligram bottle of CBD, either full spectrum or THC free, right there for $30 a month. So you're not going to find a better product, and you're definitely not going to find a better price. So if you have any more questions, please let me know. Thank you.